About this item replacement: Eureka Vacuum Charger MC2508A works for Eureka NEC222 Hyper Clean Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, Eureka Cordless Vacuum Cleaner NEC122 NEC124 NEC126 NEC220 NEC229 NEC228 NEC226 NEC120 Replacement Eureka NEC222 Hyper Clean Vacuum Charger Specifications: Worldwide input voltage range 100-240 V 50/60 Hz, output 25-29 V 500A. The 4.9 feet extremely long Eureka vacuum cord is sufficient for indoor use. Strain eliminated tail cards for greater usability and resistance to flexing. The exclusive charging technology used in our products provides the fastest charging speed. Your Eureka vacuum will be powered steadily. Durable materials and superior components ensure long-term durability, regardless of scratches,